Me here hours ago.
No.
You even know? Pick apart your
Oh, no.
face. Don't know why I do these things. Don't wanna be me anymore. Wait until I finally come above. Counting down the days to realize I'll never be enough. Shows, Linda, can you tell?
Kamusta mga sadik? Welcome back sa ating channel. For today's video, another vlog, another reaction na naman tayo. All the way from Indonesia, Rizky Rian. At from the Philippines, Bobby Hank TV. It's been a long time. So ngayon, episode 84 na tayo. Tuloy. Ooh.
I've been waking up alone. You'll love me here hours ago.
No.
Love is blind.
You even know? Pick apart your every word. Push it down like I'm unconcerned. I've been damaged and it shows. Linda, can you tell? Wait until you finally call my bluff.
King?
Counting down the days to realize I'll never be enough. Made myself a mess again. Keep
Kilig to the bone.
up in my head. I know
Tagang babae,
handle it well.
magandang lalaki, alam na.
Doesn't bother you a bit.
Tinatawag ng basta guwapo ang guy, aga siyang bibigay.
No.
Ito yung asawa niya. Ooh! Asawa niya yan, ha? In real life, his wife in real life, you know, give a spark. Nag-spark yung dalawang paningin. Mga discarding marino. Kahit hindi marino. Kahit scripted to, ano pa rin siyempre, alam mo yun, ha? Makita yung ganitong content. Take a look at this. Take a look at this. Ooh. How sweet, my man. How sweet. Come on. Woohoo.
Push it down like I'm unconcerned. I've been damaged and it shows. Can you tell?
No.
Ayaw. Ito yung descriptive to, ha. Parang ito sa mga park, diba? Nakapadas sa mga park. Parang gano'n.
No.
Oh. Kinilig bigla ang putya. Kinilig bigla. Ito ba talaga? Pag ito kung gwapo yung lalaki, grabe yung kilig to the bones talaga. Ikaw. Come on, man. Woo! Nice, man. Ah. Kilig naman talaga. Wala na. Ooh, cute smile. Malulupit. Sabay takbo. Hindi sabay takbo.
Obsessively check my phone. Do you even know? Pick up all your
No.
Titik mo na nanlaki yung mga mata eh. Nakakitang gwapo, gulat eh. Kikilig na lang eh. Sana all. Mapasana all ka talaga. Pag ang babae na unahan mo, tinan mo naman kung di makatingin na diretso. Oh. Flowers pa. Nice naman. Oh, nice naman. Mukha ni Yasmin Cordy, ah. Gusto rin. Buti talaga hindi serious ang asawa nito before pa mag-consent eh. How na? Hanggang dito na lang ating reaction. Hanggang sa susunod. Episode 55 na tayo for the next reaction video natin. Marami tayong ginagawa, busy, pero kaya na tayo ng pag-reaction ulit. It's been a long time. At in the next reaction video, Eris Krian from Indonesia, all the way from the Philippines. Babihang TV, mabuhay. Philippines.
We'll ever trust, yeah. No, I don't